To Product Zone, we're gonna unbox and test out this cat water fountain, stainless steel, 4-liter, BPA free. Got really good review, very positive review, and I think this sends 6 replacement filter inside too. It's a good quality overall. Beautiful system right here. Easy, just 4-step and you're already done. Let's see how it looks. Wow, I have 2 cats, so this will be fun for these guys. Cats love a water running. If you don't have one of this, they'll be coming by your sink and trying to like mess with your water from the sink. Listen, always on Product Zone, check in the description box for price and details on any one of the product. And here we test product out, give our honest review and opinion. And don't forget to click the subscribe button, followed by the bell icon. Is 100% free. And let's see, everything is in here. Look at that. Check, and right here is the glass, which tells you the level of the water if you're running low. Right, so these are the filter right here. And then you got come with 6 bonus one, which is pretty cool. Some sponge here, I guess, to replace in there, which is the pump. All right, so what we're gonna do, we add this piece, we plug in the pump right here. This is the top part where the water's gonna come out, and this, we're gonna take one of the filter. All right, so right here is our filter, gonna go right here. We place our filter in here. Actually, we gotta soak it with water for 5 minutes before using it. I fill it up with water. I soaked it for 5 minutes. This little hole right here, we're gonna pass this through, and we're gonna plug it in. Wow. Oh my God. This is incredible. Listen, I'm old school. I got a bowl and water all the time, but this is amazing. One of my cat, he's Jet, he's a black cat. I'm gonna try to get him, see where he at. He loves to play with water, so this is a big plus. I love how it's 3 water coming out from here, 3 fountain like hole, and then you can see the gauge right here. Cat's very curious right now. Hey Jet, you gonna go? You gonna go drink some water? I know you like to splash it all the time, right? Yeah? He's like freaked out a little bit. You give them a couple minutes, they'll take their time and they'll drink. Jet's just hanging around here, curious about the water. He take a couple sips, but I know he's gonna get around through it. So this is pretty cool. It's a good water fountain. It's made really well, good quality. The gauge right here will tell you if the water is low or not. It's a stainless steel 4-liter. I mean, incredible. This sends 6 filter. There's a filter right here. So as the water is running, it filters the water and then brings it back up. Very clean, really good. Cats love it.